Hey guys, Matt Walksler here from Wheels Through Time Museum. We are 7 days, it's 1 week away from raffling off this incredible 1939 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead restored right here at the Wheels Through Time Restoration Shop. 61 cubic inch overhead valve Knucklehead engine, 4-speed transmission wrapped in this beautiful 1939 chassis. One of the best raffle bikes that we've done yet. Somebody's gonna take it home this Saturday, or this coming Saturday at 2 o'clock. So make sure you guys get your tickets, tune in for the drawing. Now right behind me is next year's, the 2021 Wheels Through Time raffle bike. Haven't unveiled it yet. We're gonna keep you guys in suspense. A couple clues here. You see the 16-inch wheels, chrome rim. Over here in the back, we've still got the rear stand, late style fender tip, little bit of chrome that looks like a rocket muffler there. I'm going to leave the guests and you guys. We're going to be unveiling this bike just before the 2020 raffle draw. And again, guys, 1939 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead. We have not done a machine this beautiful, if you ask me, in several years. Going to find a lucky new home coming up on Saturday. So guys, get your tickets, wheelsthroughtime.com. 1 ticket for 10, 3 for 20, 7 for 50, and we've got packages above that. If you ask me, the best package, 39 on the 39. So make sure you guys get your tickets. We're gonna be drawing soon. Good luck. Talk to you soon.